message. It's beautiful, right? And all the books. Like the Quran, the book of Allah.
They're like comic books.
No, they're the chapters, different prayers.
Can I read one?
Can you read Arabic?
No. Arabic?
Yeah. Like
No
that.
English?
Lucas, go
Can you
there.
sit on the chair?
Oh, let's go. You go there. Look. Beautiful, huh? Stay there. Turn. Wow. Amazing. Look, go and have a look. Go and have a look at the Arabic writing there. Hmm?
What does that mean?
You're at the Singapore's Arabic Quarter. Here at the biggest mosque here in Singapore.
Biggest?
In Singapore. You've been to the biggest temple in Singapore, the biggest church, and the biggest mosque. Hmm? Holy place, huh? Okay, let's go. And that's how you. Every religion has a different way of praying, right? Here you pray by prostration. In Tibetan, you pray by prostrating. In Japan, you pray. In China, you pray with a bell and clap 3 times. And in the Christian church, you pray with the cross.
Holy water.
Uh-huh. And in the mosque, you pray with the by like the gentleman is there, prostration.
Daddy, how much fur is this?
Hmm?
How much fur?
It's not fair. It's
Wool? It goes
it's carpet
down.
making, like you see it in Persia,
It goes super
in
down.
Afghanistan, in Iran,
It goes super
Turkmenistan. Yes, it's a rich carpet. Persian carpets are rich, like the Afghan, Pakistan,
down. How much wool
Turkey.
do you think this is?
Do you know?
Wool strap.
Let's go.
Amazing, like I think.
Go next to him. So nice.